Hello everyone, today's topic is Business Studies Project Marketing Management Fairness Cream BST Project 5 for class 11th and 12th. Now first page is St. Anselm's School's name, Business Studies Project on Marketing Management Session 2023 to 2024, submitted to teacher's name and submitted by student's name. Now your introduction, name, class, section, roll number, subject and your school's name. Topic, Marketing Management Fairness Cream. Certificate page. This is to certify that Tanisha Mishra of class 11th has successfully completed this business studies project on the topic marketing management prescribed by Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am during the academic session 2023 to 2024 as per the guidelines issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE and signature of ma'am. Principal's name, then teacher's name. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am as well as our principal Mrs. Vinita Sharma ma'am who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic marketing management, which also helped me in doing a lot of research and I came to know about so many new things. I am very thankful to them. Marketing Management Fairness Cream Index, Marketing Management, Marketing Mix, Introduction, Fairness Cream, Licensing and Permission, SWOT Analysis, Benefits of using Fairness Cream, Why I choose this product, Product Description, Pricing, Promotional Schemes, Competitor Brands, Competitor Analysis and Conclusion. Marketing Management. Marketing management is a process of decision making, planning and controlling the marketing aspects, setting the goals of a company, organizing the plans step by step, taking decisions for the firm and executing them to get the maximum turnover by meeting consumers' demands. Marketing management is based on product, place, price and promotion to attract consumers. And here are the some pictures. Marketing mix. Marketing mix usually refers to set of 4 Ps with product, price, promotion and place. Marketing tools that a firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. First product, second promotion, third price, fourth place. My product Dove Fairness Cream and here is a picture. Introduction. Dove is a hair care and skin care brands. Dove cream improves the fairness and radiance skin. It is very suitable for all skin types and can be used as part as a daily skin care routine. It gives softer, smoother, fair, clear and more glowing skin. Dove Fairness Cream. Logo. Here is the logo. USP. Dove provides deep moisturizer for dry skin. Tagline. Everyday moisturizer is the key to beautiful skin. And here are the some pictures of this cream. Licensing and permission. In order to start manufacturing a cosmetic product, has to obtain a license from the license authority of the government. The application to be submitted from 31st along with a license fee of rupees 3,500 and inspection fee of rupees 1,000. Inspection of whole provides where the operations are to be carried out should be done. Inspection appointed under the Pharmacy Act 1948 should carry out the inspection and submit a detailed report to the licensing authority, which will there decide the grant of the license or not And here are the page of licensing and permission. SWOT analysis. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats. Strengths, locality of our factory. Our factory is near the market, which reduces transportation costs. Weakness, lack of marketing expertise, new brand in market, hence customers will not trust us easily. Opportunities, a developing market such as internet and introduction with global market. Threats, as we are new in market, it will be challenging for us to grow between well known brands. Price war with competitors. Benefits of using Fairness Cream: lightens spots, sun protection, prevents oxidative damage, slows down aging, glowing skin, fair skin tone, brightens skin, remove dark marks. And here are the some pictures of cream. Why I choose this product? My product is Dove Fairness Cream. Cream is the basic necessity of life. It is very mild and creamy. It improves the fairness and radiance skin. We can easily purchase it from shop or online. We can also store it. It is available in different shades, sizes, fragrances and prices. And here are the some pictures of my cream, Fairness Cream. My product description: Dove is a hygiene brand owned by the multinational consumer goods company. We provide a good quality product in reasonable prices, and we use eco-friendly, natural and gentle materials to make our product. We try to provide large variety of product as per the consumer's demand. And here are my product Dove Fairness Cream picture. My product pricing. The decisions regarding product mix will depend on many factors like design, features, brand name, quality, variety, service, packaging, labeling. Promotional schemes. Promotional can be explained as a set of activities to communicate about the product, its services and brand value to the people, like coupons, discount, buy one get one free, offer, cashback. And here are the some pictures. Competitive brands in the market: Pond's, Lakme, Olay, Glamour, Fair and Lovely. Competitor analysis. Pond's cream. Pond's White Beauty Cream is a day cream that is formulated for daily use. It will not only fade dark spots and uneven skin tone, but will also protect our skin from UVA and UVB rays. USP: Pond's has been listening to women's needs and new products customized. Tagline: for timeless beauty, and the miracle is you. And here are the some pictures of Pond's cream. Lakme cream. Lakme cream gives us an even skin surface and glowing skin. It prevents dark spots, blemishes and breakouts, giving the perfect radiant look. Look younger and glow every day with this cream. USP: Lakme brings expert products and services that are born out of true understanding of the needs of Indian women. Tagline: Lakme reinvent beauty sutra. And here are the some pictures of Lakme cream. Olay cream. Olay brightening night cream is effective in making skin radiant and even. It hydrates, replenishes, brightens, evens the look of tone, minimizes the look of pores, visibly firms and smooths. USP: contains nutrients to provide fairness and nourishment to the skin. Tagline: challenge what's possible. Glowing and fairness skin. And here are the some pictures of Olay cream. Glam Up Cream. Glam Up Cream gives glowing, fresh and radiant skin. It provides sun protection and moisturized skin. It brightens and lightens our skin tone by reducing fine lines and wrinkles. USP: natural brightening skin. Tagline: radiant and glowing skin. And here are the picture of Glam Up Cream. This cream is very effective and smooth. Fair and Lovely. Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream is effective in reducing skin marks. It brightens and lightens our skin complexion. It reduces hyperpigmentation and smoothens overall skin texture. USP: Power of Beauty. Tagline: more than just fairness and clear. And here are some pictures of Fair and Lovely cream. All creams. A good quality fairness cream works to enhance the overall health of our skin. It penetrates deep into the skin layers and removes the dead skin cells and also prevents dark spots. It helps in reducing tan and provides fairness and glowing skin. And here are some pictures of all fairness creams. Conclusion: Dove Fairness Cream with apricot and vitamin E and unique deep care complex cream. Combination of skin natural nutrients and rich essential oils to help gradually improve skin. Starting deep down, it provides soft, smooth, glowing, fair and clear skin. And Dove Fairness Cream is a best cream. My product is best. Presented by Tanisha Mishra. Thanks.